¿Qué está matando mosquitos, mami?
Mira para allá.
My mom said he's killing mosquitoes because of the smoke coming on the back. Alright, welcome to another video to Secret Garage. Today we got John here from a bunch of the videos. He's been in the channel a lot of times. He came here to help me out. Ever's been helping me out too, but he couldn't come today, so today it's gonna be John. So today we are gonna be installing the T56 transmission, and we had the kit components and everything in the box. So I'm gonna try to explain as much as I can, do step by step. This video is only installing the transmission. You know, you guys are not gonna see the car running yet. That will be next video, but we are gonna leave as much as we can today done. So come join us. All right, you see, you guys know what we're starting with. I already put the pilot bearing bushing in there, so that's done in there. So we're gonna start now with the installation. We put the cars in jacks. Always put security, you call it, insurance, so that we don't die here today. All right, so this is the clutch. This is the adapter, the alignment key. So I bolted it in here. We are gonna put it in the car. So I just want to show you guys the parts. You see the flywheel on the bottom. We have the bleed lines and the line that we're gonna be putting in here. Also, we got the bell housing in there. Wait. And we have the cross member for the transmission. So we are gonna start now. But first, we are gonna start by removing this and installing this piece right here. This stone not gonna be installing on that side. We got John installing the flywheel. Está apretadito, pero entra. Okay. ¿Ya trancó? ¿Que no se haga? Todavía. ¿Roscar un tornillito? Sí. ¿Roscó? Yeah. Ok, ya no se va a caer. No, me rosca el otro. O trata de roscárselos todos. Y entonces lo lleva parejito. So he's gonna try to put one of each, like fill them all, and then he's gonna do it in a pattern like that. I'm sorry. That way it goes in evenly. But it fits a little. It fits tight in there. That's what she said. All right, just so you guys see how I have this mounted. I'm gonna take it apart just like this. All right, so you have this plate right here. See that thing over here? I don't know what you want to call it. So that part goes towards the bottom, like that. Then if you see that this says pressure plate side, this goes towards the pressure plate side. And you put this one in there. Then you grab this one, and that way I saw in the instructions on the these instructions that the kit comes with, these are facing counterclockwise, just like that, right there in the picture, in this picture right there. No, wait, where's the picture? Yeah, in this picture, you see they're counterclockwise, so that's why I put them just like that. And then this last one tells you right here, flywheel, so that goes facing up. So when you put this in there, I'm gonna put it with two bolts, so all the ones are gonna be out, and then 2 blocks. just so I can hold them in place over there. Then once I put that, then I'll go ahead and put the rest of the bolts on the blocks. Oh wait, I forgot this. Don't forget to put your alignment too. Ya lo te dijeron, pierna blanca, John. Oye, ahora. Ay.
Okay, ¿qué le pasó?
¿A quién?
Que tiene como...
Adiós. Dame ahí. Ay, voy. Alright, so. Alright, so. Vamos a ver que esto está bien.
¿Esto para ti también es como montar un rompecabezas?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, so now John is gonna continue, but you guys see that I put two and it has the blocks in between, so we're gonna put the blocks and the bolts on each one. Yeah, it's coming along good. Okay, we got everything bolted down to the torque specs. From there it says 25 pounds, so that's what we torqued that at. So now we're gonna put the bell housing in there. What are you? So gonna put it. Uso unos pines, so tiene que alinear los pines arriba. Uso unos pines por ahí. ¿Tú quieres mirar? Mira el pin aquí. Alright, so he's got it. These are all the bolts. Now the kit does supply you with the hardware, but me, because I'm me, I like using the OEM hardware. Es que eso tiene un poquito. Toma, mete de ese lado. Del lado de allá. Yo la monto aquí. Vale. Ese se va a ir. Everything fits really well. Alright, so this is a little thing I made. It was like a really skinny screwdriver, and what I did is I cut it. Oh my god, I can't zoom into it. And then what I did is I cut it. You see how the tip of a screwdriver? I cut it, and that's what I use. I put it right here, hold it with these pliers, and then hit it with the hammer on the top, and it comes. See how it's coming right out from the bottom. So I gotta get a little high like that. That way I can continue hitting it a little bit until it comes out on the other side. That on YouTube. Alright, so I got the pin out. So now you grab this thing here and it comes right out. And it's gonna be a rubber gasket in the tip, so it's gotta be in there. I see there it is. It's down there. That's a new one, so I'm gonna keep it. So this line right here, see if I can open it up. This is what I made. This one goes in there, and then it turns into a 3AN, which connects into my stock, the line that I have over there. So it's gonna go like that. But I'm gonna remove this line right here, and then I'm gonna put it in there. So that's how it looks. you put it in there, put the pin back in there, and this one we're gonna get it out and put the new one in. So getting this one out, putting this one in. Look, a magical set of hands just appeared out of nowhere. Must be my lucky day. Alright, so and then let me grab some pliers so we can tie that in there. Alright, so right now we're gonna bleed it. We connected the line in there, in here, and then I got my bleeder here, and I put on the vise. So right now it's locked. I'll make this improvisation in here, and we're gonna bleed it outside with that in the vise. So right now it's a little bit hard to bleed it. It doesn't want to bleed, so I put in this vacuum pump, pumped it up, and now I'm starting to see a little bit of liquid coming out. You can see some bubbles and stuff. So I put some grease in there just to make sure, you know, if there's any vacuum like this pushing it, will push it up from there. But right now we're waiting for the fluid to start going down, which it is. So let's continue waiting. All right, so you guys, I don't know if you guys can see, but the bubbles are coming out. So it's pushing them out. And I have a pump. Wow. So it bled pretty well thanks to this little vacuum thing. Huh? Did you see the bubbles coming out?
Yeah.
Had you never seen that before?
No.
You see, you learned something new today. So yeah, so right now we're gonna put this in the transmission in the front, and we are about to bolt the transmission up to the engine. Alright, so we put the slave cylinder in. You guys see why I put this bleeder, just in case in one day we have to bleed it. We don't have to drop the transmission. I mean, not drop the transmission, it wouldn't be super tight inside the tunnel. Because this thing over here, it's gonna be like that, and it's gonna be super hard, and especially in this tunnel, to bleed it. That's why I got that line, and that's why I have this one extra for the outside. I can just disconnect it here, drop the transmission, get it out the way. So all the bolts are tight, all of them around. Here you got your bleeder, just in case in the future you want to bleed it. You can take this and just tuck it in there or somewhere, and then this line going up. You can do whatever you want, but it's a lot comfortable to bleed from here than trying to squeeze something in here and bleed it from there. So what we got next is the mount, the dry shaft, and I think that's pretty much it, right? All right, so just want to show you guys how everything looks. That's how the mount looks with the dry shaft. So we're done. We still need to buy some oil for the transmission, and from here it's gonna go straight to empty. It's gonna be doing some tuning and some fine tuning, because Papote tuned it, and it's tuned very very well, but they'll be doing some fine tuning. John, again, thank you for coming and helping me out. After I destroy a malcriado, which I'm not gonna beat him, I'm gonna destroy him. Then this one is gonna be next. 12A, ¿verdad? O sea, 12A. This was his uncle. I was able to meet John's uncle before he passed away, and he was the most honest, decent person I ever met. So John is continuing his legacy with his uncle's car. He's got his own toy, but his uncle, before he passed away, he gave him the car because he knew he was going to take good care of the car. So like I said, after I destroy Malcriado, then hopefully we get these two running, and this one is going to be really close, because we are hoping, you're hoping to hit a 9, right? 9 seconds.
Yeah.
So it should be it has run 9s before. Look at it. big turbo. That turbo is bigger than the engine. But how many PSI are you running? 30 pounds on a 12A. That's just crazy. Look at these guys, man. Like father, like son, he's fixing. Yeah. ¿Qué tú haces, Adrián? ¿Está trabajando? Okay. So yeah, so you guys are gonna see us on the track. This car is tuned by Gringo Speed, Gringo Performance. So this is gonna be empty fabrication versus Gringo, and empty papote nitro versus Gringo Performance. But hey, we race, me Savi, we race with the micro and everything, but we are all friends. So I don't want you guys to misinterpret the fact that we race and we have fun with grudge. There is no grudge. This is being a long-time relationship between John. But John, me and you've been racing since I had the Corolla. So we go back quite some years, and then Savi as well. So this is what I love about, you know, racing, and the friendship that we make and stuff. So John, again, thank you for coming. It's getting late, and he's been here for like 4 hours helping me put everything up together. All right, so everybody, thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, hit the notification button so you can see some videos, and I will see you guys next video when we go test drive the Supra.